Hello to all my friends out there. And so for teas, you need cookies, bread, sandwiches. So what I'm trying is a new banana nut bread recipe. And these are some cookies I bought at 99 cents only. And yesterday I made some soda bread, raisin soda bread. So just scroll down for that recipe. And the banana nut bread recipe is coming along. So let me taste a little piece of this bread. And I'm always looking for a recipe. Okay. I like this bread recipe because it's not too full of fat and it is high in sugar. But if it's going to be really good, you need some sugar. The crust is nice and crispy, but the inside is moist, so that's a good situation. I think this might be the one I've been looking for. And the reason is because it's all ingredients that you normally have. It's easy to make too, and that is important. Just like the soda bread, raisin soda bread. I mean, I don't want to kill myself. I want to have some banana bread every couple times a month. So I'm having some mint tea, 1/16 teaspoon cinnamon, and some mint tea. And so, okay, I've been trying all kinds of teas, but for the mint tea, I think my favorite, and I'll show you, is this one. See, it says caffeine free. So I'm doing pretty well on the caffeine. And I need a little honey. You don't have to have honey, but it's good with honey. You could have sugar and milk too. But this was the tea for attracting aliens. So I thought, well, if it's attractive to aliens all the way from outer space, it should be a pretty tasty tea, right? And it is a tasty tea. And it's pretty cheap because you can buy the lemon in the big container at the 99 cent store. That's my 99 cent honey and my 99 cent ground cinnamon. And here's of all the teapots now, I'm getting experience. If you're new to teapots or you haven't bought any yet, try to find a silver teapot. This one was $9.98 or something. So just to show you, this is a giant loaf of banana nut bread, and it's not expensive to make, so that I like. I don't want to pay a fortune just to have a little banana nut bread with my tea. And I bought the pecans for $1 at Dollar Tree. And here's the cookies. I bought these for $1, and you get quite a few cookies, 99 cents only. And here is my raisin bread. And I put some chopped apricots and some candy fruit, but any kind of fruit, fresh or frozen, would be good. So now let me give you the recipe. First of all, let me read this to you. This recipe was Great-Grandma Herbert's, who homesteaded here in Montana. So I saw that and I go, oh goody, an old one. The bread could only be made at Christmas time. They went to town by wagon to a dry ground store and only stocked bananas at Christmas time. And there were always overripe. Ripeness was the inspiration of this recipe. And out here, they sell the overripe bananas really cheap. So let me give you the recipe. Here's the recipe right here. See, there is no special ingredients, and I stockpile baking soda and baking powder and salt. And you know, on the sour milk, for 1 cup or buttermilk, 1 cup regular milk, you add 1 tablespoon lemon or vinegar, which most people have all the time. And so you can see the only thing you really need to get is nuts and bananas. But if you don't have nuts, you can just have banana bread with no nuts. That's good too. And then I have 2 recipes, and I think these are really good. I've made these before, but I want to give those to you. The one is this zesty meatballs. And so this sounds pretty good. I might be trying this. You know, Dollar Tree has those turkey burgers. I mean, cheap, like $1. And then here's the turkey pie. And I made it. I put the crescent rolls on top, and that was really good too. So and if you stockpile gravy and you have frozen vegetables, you're pretty much in business for that one. So that's 2 of my really good recipes. So okay, I think I'm liking this this banana bread really good, and you know, it's really good with tea. So okay, I'll be back, and God bless you all.